Yes.
Let's go to our next call, and it's a surprise call. Hello.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Is it this woman again?
Oh, no.
Wait, who is this?
We don't know. Ken's answered some phones, put them on hold, but then gone back to get a call on it.
I can tell this woman snore. It was the woman from last week.
Is it the same one, Helen?
Oh, imagine being married to it. Not her.
Either that or it's Darth Vader.
The Force is strong in you, Luke.
I think the last one was more like an incinerator. This is like a seal.
Yes. I just wish I knew more Star Wars lines to throw in as Darth Vader. Where's Yoda when you need him?
May the Force be with you, Luke. That is a snore, and it's a beauty, isn't it?
Do not be converted to the dark side, Bruce.
Thank you for your call, anyway. Very nice of you to ring us, and do so again.
Yes.
Anytime you're free. Would you like to go to the Dingley?
It's quite an amazing snore.
Oh,
isn't
yes, it is.
Because it comes in two parts.
It's a Gale Force 8.
There's a noise in there, but also that.
I detect a slight respiratory problem there too.
Yeah.
May develop in time. All right, thanks for calling.
There's Dr. Sally for a diagnosis when we need her.
Shut up and sleep, Gag. Thank you. Right, let's get to